How to measure the I2S bus. Click on the top of the toolbar option. From the drop-down menu, click on the channel folding. Up to 1 GB samples of memory in 4-channel mode.
Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position.
Set the trigger condition. Set protocol decoders. Find I2S protocol decoder. Configuration protocol decoder. Click the single capture icon. Waiting for the record to complete. Waiting for download data. Waiting for all packets to be decoded. In this case, we recorded 42 seconds of I2S packets. Drag the mouse from bottom right to top left to zoom out. The sound is 44.1 kHz. Right-click. From the drop-down menu, click on the image decode. Click on the option icon. Set the sampling rate to 44.1 kHz. Click on the save icon. Users can use some software to view the waveform of I2S data.
Thank you for watching.